Continuing with our quantum communication response, and we get to this line, coherence time, colon, F, opening quote, we got our curly braces with random.uniform 0.1, comma 2.0, our colon dot 2F, closed curly braces seconds. We encounter here an advanced technique that demonstrates combining random function calls with precision formatting inside F-string expressions. So we just keep building the complexity here. This enables you to generate varied numerical data with consistent scientific precision. So we see our F-string. Inside the curly braces, we have the uniform function of random, generating a random decimal between 0.1 and 2.0. Then we know that the colon begins our precision formatting process. The dot 2 shows exactly 2 decimal places with the F, because F is for floating point number, as we learned previously. So in this case, if it was 1.47382, it would become 1.47 seconds, dropping off the 382 because we've got 0.2 F. So we're creating professional scientific data with varied but formatted values. Each communication attempt generates a different coherence time between 0.1 and 2.0 seconds, but all results display consistently as 1.47 seconds or 0.83 seconds and so on, consistently with that same size, maintaining these scientific formatting standards. This syntax pattern, F, quote, random uniform min-max, colon, dot precision, enables varied but professionally formatted scientific data. You get realistic variation in your quantum measurements while ensuring consistent presentation that meets laboratory documentation standards, and mirroring real quantum physics where quantum entanglement durations vary but must be reported with consistent precision.